What's good, YouTube? So we got another box in the mail today, and this one came from Rouge Shoes website. I bought from them before. They've never came in a plastic packaging like this. They all usually come in a box, but we'll make an exception because the box does feel like it's intact. I could feel all the corners, so we ain't gonna do no tripping about that. So let's just start tearing this thing apart, pull the shoes out, and let me tell you a little bit about the shoes. Here go my invoice. Alright, so these shoes here, Supras. This model here is the Skytop 77, made by Chad Muska, a famous skateboarder. You probably recognize him from them Tony Hawk days and all that skateboarding stuff back in the 2000s. Anyway, so the reason why I bought these, even though they're old and I just want to unbox them on video, is to tell you guys that I read something that is pretty much heartbreaking at the moment, and that is that this brand was sold to K-Swiss, and then I don't know what happened with K-Swiss, but now this website's down, and as of now, they aren't making these anymore, so we don't know what's going to happen in the future. So I thought I might as well grab me a pair while I can. These are the, again, Skytops, Model 1 77. Let's take a look at them. You like that? So I have zero knowledge about this brand other than that it's very old and that it's made collaborations with a couple of people, a couple of famous people, skateboarders and stuff, and just about it. I know they got 5 of these models, 5 Skytop models, and some other sub models and whatnot. I just thought these were pretty cool. I really wanted to grab a Skytop 2 because those are very high. They're higher than this, and I've been wanting to get a pair like that. But anyway, so this is what we got today in the mail, and I'm glad to at least have a pair while I still could. I got these again on rougeshoes.com. They were, let me see. So they were $65.99, and I used a coupon called Cyber Sale, and it came out to be $52.80, and that was with shipping. Of course, it was free shipping, so that was with taxes and all, and I couldn't pass it up, so here we are. Got a pair of these bad boys. We're gonna do a little on feet with these because I think they live. They super cool. And let's take a look at the other one. You got both these classics right there. They're bone white, off-white, whatever you want to call them. Alright, so right here you got Supra with the crown logo. You got Muska 001. And on the side right here by the heel you got Skytop. That's the name of the shoe. This here is the Skytop 1. But this is some kind of different model where Chad Muska kind of designed this one, and he overlaid this outsole to go a little higher. And I really don't know how many more things or features he added to this model, but if you look it up, you'll see. I don't know off the bat because I'm not too big on this brand. And you got the 77 right there, which I believe was his birthday or birth year. Again, with the logo, with the crown in the back, Supra on the heel. You got all these shoelace eyes right here. I don't think I'll be using that. I might just go up to here and that's about it. But yeah, man, I really like these. I think they're cool. All suede. A very plain bottom, which y'all know me, I don't care about the bottom. Unless it's super cool, but you know, I don't really care about the bottom. It just got the crown in the middle, and that's that. Let's take a look on the inside. Oh, you got some long laces. I might have to go all the way up to right there. On the inside, you got Supra. See if we take these out and just take a closer look at these. Say Supra on them. They're pretty comfortable. These are somewhat like gel in a way, and I believe they'll be comfortable. They feel like it already. So we'll take a look at the size tag for the folks that like seeing that stuff. I mean, and the little details that'll help you guys out. I'm glad to share it with you. So these shoes got a pocket or a stash spot underneath the tongue right here. I don't know what all you can hide under there. Whatever it is, it'll probably be very uncomfortable on the bridge of your foot, but maybe like a $20 bill or something. That'd be cool, I guess, you know. And again, there's a much to these shoes, but that's all we have. Same thing with the other one. There's no differences on these. They're exactly the same, unlike some shoes that have different things on them. But these are just exactly alike, both left and right. So here we go. We're gonna show you guys a little on feet